Kyocera was founded in 1959 in Kyoto, Japan. In fact, the name Kyocera comes from Kyocera Ceramics. Doctors, scientists, and engineers use ceramic components in bone replacements, space shuttles, Formula One race cars, and other extreme applications where such components would virtually disintegrate if made from metal. Let's start with the material itself. The raw material is excavated and then ground into a micrograin powder. Pulverized slurry is pumped into a spray dryer where it is dried, returning it to its powder state. Ready for molding, the pure and consistent powder is mechanically pressed with up to 300 tons of pressure into a knife mold. The molded blades are then stacked and prepared for firing or sintering. At temperatures in excess of 1,000 degrees, the furnace hardens the material. Exact control of the exposure time at each temperature is critical to achieve the desired hardness. To create the Kyocera hot isostatic process hip blades, one additional manufacturing process is performed. The blades are polished in tumbling vats filled with green carbide rocks. The blades are then ground to smooth out all edges. Next, each blade is laser marked with the Kyocera logo. The secondary edge is then ground using a diamond belt and precise rhythmic movements to create a consistent angle. Each blade is then honed on a fine diamond wheel, completing the primary cutting edge and rounding the tip and base of the blade for safety. Next, the blade is buffed to create its ultimate sharpness. Each knife is then subjected to Kyocera's rigorous quality standards, including multiple inspections. A side impact test to ensure that every blade is free from any imperfections. A sharpness test to ensure that every edge is razor sharp. A detection test to ensure that every knife is metal detectable. The knives are then carefully packaged for shipment to your store. Let's get started with the knife. First, take it in your hand. Get a firm grip around the base, tucking your fingers underneath with good pressure on the thumb. This will ensure you get consistent, even slices every time. Now notice how lightweight and comfortable, whether preparing a simple salad for two or creating an elaborate feast. These super efficient products will save time and effort, ultimately providing an amazing experience. And learn from you the multitude of advantages that ceramic offers. Now for the double-edged slicer. Get a nice firm grip on the handle, putting the slicer on the board with some pressure on the tip. It's the ceramic advantage at a lower price point. Once convinced of the benefits, they'll undoubtedly want to expand their ceramic collection. Let's move on to the peeler. The blade is made from the same advanced ceramic as the knife. You can adjust your technique to what's comfortable, peeling away from you or towards you. See how smoothly the peeler glides right through the skin? This tool will make what was once considered a tedious chore a quick and simple task, and it's dishwasher safe. Ceramic is chemically inert, meaning that it's totally impervious to acids, juices, oils, salts, or any other element. It will never rust or change from its natural, pure state. And unlike stainless steel, ceramic will not transfer metal ions or other contaminants to any food it contacts. As a result, it will never alter the taste, smell, or appearance of food. Ceramic is as pure as it gets.